stop scrolling. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why most people remain financially stuck, why their bank accounts never grow despite working harder. The truth? Financial freedom is not about luck or even income level. It's about applying the exact strategies used by the world's wealthiest individuals. Harvard-endorsed principles, investment frameworks, and institutional-grade financial tactics. And if you follow this 6-month roadmap, you will change your finances permanently. Miss this, and you risk staying in the same cycle for years. Keep watching, because in the next few minutes, you'll have a bulletproof plan to transform your financial life. Let's begin. Month 1. Comprehensive financial audit and high-level goal structuring. The first and most critical step is understanding where you stand financially. You cannot fix what you don't measure. This month, you will conduct a forensic-level audit of your financial life, a technique used by financial analysts to assess corporate health and investment potential. A thorough self-audit includes income analysis, evaluating your total earnings, including primary salaries, secondary revenue streams, and passive investments. Debt evaluation, categorizing and prioritizing debt based on interest rates, payment schedules, and compounding structures. Expense tracking, differentiating between fixed, housing, insurance, and variable, subscriptions, entertainment, costs. Asset assessment, reviewing liquid assets, investment portfolios, and retirement funds. Cash flow, examination, understanding inflows versus outflows to identify inefficiencies. Now, set goals using advanced financial modeling. These goals must adhere to the Harvard Smarter framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, evaluated, and reviewed. A vague goal, like save money, is ineffective. A strategic goal is increase my investment portfolio by 15% within 6 months through asset reallocation and market-optimized index fund contributions. Month 2. Advanced budget structuring and liquidity optimization. Now that financial clarity has been established, a data-driven budget must be developed. Traditional budgeting methods are insufficient for optimal wealth building. Instead, we utilize the dynamic allocation framework, commonly used by institutional investors and corporate finance teams. The core principles include the 50-20-20-10 rule: 50% for fixed necessities, 20% for discretionary spending, 20% for savings and investments, 10% for liquidity reserves and wealth scaling. Expense elasticity, analysis, identifying flexible spending categories where cost reductions maximize long-term financial positioning. Strategic automation, directing funds to high-yield accounts and tax-advantaged investments with minimal manual intervention. Month 3. Aggressive expense reduction and revenue maximization. A financial turnaround requires both reduction in wasteful spending and strategic revenue enhancement. A report by Harvard Business School emphasizes that optimizing both sides of the financial equation yields the highest ROI. Advanced cost optimization strategies. Subscription, auditing, using AI-driven tools to cancel redundant services. Corporate rate negotiation, leveraging consumer spending analytics to secure better pricing. Reverse budgeting, prioritizing wealth accumulation before allocating discretionary funds. Revenue scaling methods, salary maximization, conducting market-driven salary benchmarking before negotiations. High ROI side ventures, investing in scalable online businesses and consultancy roles. Asset monetization, leveraging underutilized assets such as real estate and intellectual property. Month 4. Institutional-level emergency fund, structuring and credit optimization. An emergency fund is non-negotiable for financial stability. The Harvard Endowment Fund model emphasizes tiered liquidity pools, ensuring that capital is always available without compromising investment potential. Advanced emergency fund strategy. Tier 1, immediate access, high-yield savings accounts. Tier 2, intermediate liquidity, treasury bonds and short-term CDs. Tier 3, long-term reserves, low-volatility mutual funds. Credit optimization is equally critical. Institutions maintain credit ratings for financial leverage. Individuals should adopt a similar mindset. Strategies include debt-to-credit utilization control, keeping utilization below 10% for optimal scoring. Multi-account diversification, ensuring a diverse credit mix. Automated, on-time payments, leveraging fintech solutions to prevent score degradation. Month 5. Institutional debt elimination and wealth expansion. Debt is the single biggest barrier to wealth. We implement the institutional debt repayment model used by financial firms. Methods: high interest elimination. First, targeting debts with compounding rates above 10%. Strategic refinancing, consolidating debts under lower fixed interest structures. Reinvestment strategy, redirecting freed capital into high-growth assets. Month 6, advanced investment scaling and portfolio diversification. With financial stability secured, it's time to scale wealth creation. The Harvard Business Review highlights that the world's wealthiest individuals utilize strategic investment vehicles to outpace inflation and build intergenerational wealth. Key investment strategies: optimized retirement contributions, maximizing tax-advantaged accounts, index fund and ETF diversification, balancing risk-adjusted returns, real estate and alternative asset classes, expanding into tangible and digital assets. Finally, high-net-worth individuals consult fiduciary financial advisors for legally obligated, unbiased guidance. Engaging with a seasoned advisor ensures that long-term objectives remain on track. Financial transformation is a calculated endeavor, not a matter of luck. By executing this 6-month institutional framework, financial independence is not a distant dream, but an achievable milestone. The question is not if, but when you will take control of your financial destiny. Thank you for watching. For continued financial mastery, subscribe and take action today.